So friends, we know like the more we learn, so more we can improve our English. So today's I will tell you some things which is very important and which will help you to improve your English. So welcome back again, and like I say all the time, so if you new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon and keep watching. So we all know or we use so much or too much. So do we really know what is the meaning of so much? So much we can only use when we mean to say something we can tolerate. Okay, example, there is so much sugar in the coffee, which we can tolerate, but too much is just opposite of so much. That means something which you cannot tolerate at all. Example, there is too much sugar in the coffee, which we cannot tolerate. So we should keep in mind when to use so much and when to use too much. I think now we are clear on this. And generally we tell something when we leave something in home. We generally tell I forgot my phone at home, which is not correct at all. We should use leave there, not forget. Like I left my phone at home. Sometime we should be very careful about causative verb, like we should use causative verb only, like did you have a haircut, because you not cut the hair here. So you should use causative verb, means someone cut your hair, means the salon person cut your hair. So we should improve and use alternatives to improve our English constantly. Okay, like we always say firstly, secondly, or thirdly, like that. So firstly we can simply replace with to begin with. To begin with, I will tell you about artificial intelligence. Secondly, rather telling secondly, we will tell in addition to, like in addition to that, AI is very important. So more you use advanced things, your presentation will be more advanced. Likely, lastly, you can use furthermore, like furthermore. Both AI and machine learning is the future technologies. So you can tell by lastly, but if you tell the furthermore, the impact is very good. Additionally, we will use additionally rather telling and all the time. Like I enjoyed the movie, additionally it was superb. Or we will use moreover also, like she is talented singer, moreover she plays multiple instruments. So we will not use and there, okay, we will use moreover. Example, we will tell on top of that, like the hotel is comfortable, on top of that provides complimentary breakfast. So now see how a single replacement of and how it sounds like very professional, right? Or we might try to say something, he is a man who choose things carefully. We will tell he is a selective person or is very picky person, right? So we should know the words. Or if you mean to say someone is very eligible to find creative ways to overcome something problems, we will tell he is a very resourceful person, right? So these lengthy things we should make it shorter. If we need to encourage our vocabulary also. Like always we have a trend, like we will always use please and all. We can do the please, we can say that please also, but if you just change it with kindly forward the email. So you should go some different way, you should choose some different advanced way to make it make you different from others, right? Like please you can replace with is that all right with you, like we need to complete it within 15 minutes, is that all right with you? Okay, like that you can also tell. Or you can say do you mind rather saying please. So do you mind passing the salt? Normally if you use please, you say please pass the salt. So you can choose the better things always, right? Like I would love if you could help me here. Normally if you say please help me. So if you see here, if you tell like I would love if you could help me here. So how a single change making your sentence more graceful, so that we need to understand. So I hope these sessions will be helpful, and we will be starting some new things to improve our English. I hope you like this session. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and let me know your feedbacks in the comment sections. And if you are not subscribed yet, please do subscribe and share these videos with friends. Thank you.